Hi there, and welcome back to episode 3 of this clips tutorial. For today's lesson, we are going to learn how to add text and Animoji. There are 2 ways to add an Animoji. First, let's go to camera and clips and take a short video. After that, you want to tap on your clip, tap on effects, and go to Animoji. Hi, and welcome to episode 3. Hi. The other way of adding an Animoji is to go to your camera and set an Animoji before recording your video. We can add text from any of the clips we already have, or we can grab a clip from the library. Now let's get back to adding text. Now before adding text, I like to split my clips to make sure that my text come out at the right time. Now you try.